Apologize for the inconvenience, but due to some technical difficulties, we have stopped Mickey and Minnie's Runaway. At this time, we ask that you please reverse your direction in line. Ignore that last message.
Okay.
A railway representative will assist you momentarily.
This looks boring.
Yeah. With your hands, arms, feet inside the vehicle at all times, and a railway representative will assist you momentarily. Thank you.
Yeah?
Whatever you want.
Cool. Just make sure we're not recording.
Right. I'm absolutely recording this.
Hang it right here, then we know.
Yeah.
Well, maybe they have to like get us all out. That's crazy. I didn't know they're able to do that so quickly. Well, I guess quick, but not quick.
We were like on the top level, so it like.
Oh, okay.
We're gonna find out. It's just because
It's all Goofy's fault. He did it.
Please put your phones away. We want you to look forward and pay attention. Make sure we're not touching anything. Once again, tell my friends getting evacuated right now. Please remain in a single file line and pay attention to the way you guys are walking in and off your phones. Thank you.
He's done singing. He's done singing.
Roger Rabbit. Yeah, the line is like not that long. You wanna go?
What about your one?
The one that has like the tattoo that's over here.
What one?
Pardon me, guys. Pardon me, guys.